6:47 a.m. The ground near Old Faithful splits open. Not cracks. It tears. A fissure 40 miles long rips across the caldera floor in seconds. The eruption column rises at the speed of a jet aircraft. In 10 minutes, it reaches 30 miles into the stratosphere. Then the pyroclastic flows begin. Superheated gas and rock. 450 miles per hour. 700 degrees Celsius. Anything within 100 miles evaporates. Jackson Hole, gone. Bozeman, gone. Salt Lake City, reached in 30 minutes. Denver, the ash arrives before evacuation routes even open. FEMA's own models confirm it. A successful evacuation of the Yellowstone region is essentially impossible. By hour 1, 87,000 people are dead. And this is not even the worst of it. Watch the full documentary to see what comes next.